How to turn on or off events notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off events notifications on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and now just click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on notifications, and here scroll down again until you find events, and like you see you have these are notifications about events, and you can turn on or off allow notifications on Facebook, or you can choose where you receive those notifications to turn it off, or this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe and like.